This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to add a sidebar in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, look for the Appearance menu on the left-hand side. Click on Appearance, and then select Widgets from the drop-down menu. This section is your central hub for managing all the dynamic content areas on your website, including your sidebars. It's where you'll find all the tools to customize your site's layout. Once you're in the Widgets screen, you'll see two main sections. On the left, there's a list of available widgets, and on the right, you'll find your widget areas. These areas are predefined by your WordPress theme and represent different sections of your website where you can place content. You might see areas like Primary Sidebar, Footer Widget Area 1, or Header Widget Area. To add content to your sidebar, simply choose a widget from the available widgets list on the left. For example, you could select a text widget, a recent posts widget, or a search widget. Then, click and drag that widget directly into your desired sidebar area on the right. You can add as many widgets as you need, and you can easily reorder them by dragging them up or down within the sidebar area. After adding a widget, you can customize its settings. Click on the widget's title bar within the sidebar area to expand its options. Here, you can typically set a title for the widget, configure specific display rules, or adjust other parameters unique to that widget. For instance, a recent posts widget might let you choose how many posts to display. Always remember to click the Save or Update button after making any changes to a widget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.